What on-page optimization is about can be put in one sentence. It's all about how and where to place keywords on your website. Keywords are the terms a user puts in the Google search or Bing or Yahoo. And if you wish to rank for a certain keyword, you need to place it on your web page. There are different places where to locate keywords. But before we dive into it, I'd like to make you familiar with the mystery of HTML. HTML is an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language. This might sound some kind of cryptic, but it's not mysterious at all. It's a language which your browser understands and which it uses to format text. All what it needs are so-called tags. Tags are defined by this sequence of a less sign, an identifier, here it's H1 for headline, and a greater than sign. This means that everything which follows this tag is being formatted as a headline, in bold and big letters. The browser needs to know when the headline ends. The end of a tag is defined as a repetition of the tag, adding a slash after the less than sign. You see the text which is formatted as a headline is embraced by an opening tag and a closing tag. This is what the browser reads, and here you see what the browser presents to you. In the same way, the I tag turns text into italic, and the U tag turns text into underlined text. While you won't need to learn HTML for on-page optimization, just keep in mind that HTML uses tags in order to bring text into the right format. Usually, you will use an editor software to type in your content. For example, a content management system like WordPress, Joomla or Drupal. You will use an editor to format a headline, and the software you use will translate it into HTML. Before you will learn where to place keywords on your website, let me make you aware of the different types of keywords. Let's assume a fictional website at www.fancy-bakers.com, a bakery in Chicago producing the best cheesecake in the US. There are three types of keywords. First, there are brand keywords, here Fancy Bakers, indicating the brand of your company. Second, we've got money keywords, here for example cheesecake. Money keywords means that the keyword indicates the product or idea you earn your money with. And third, there are compound or long-tail keywords like best cake in Chicago. So where can you place your keywords? First, in the domain name. Here a brand keyword can be found in the domain. Then there are file names. Usually the homepage is named index.html, but you could also name it with a money keyword cake.html. Then there's the page header. The page header is almost invisible to the user except the title tag which you see in the browser bar. The remaining information in the header contains some technical information for the browser and some entries for search bots. Further, the body of a website is the visible part of the page, containing headlines and text elements. Then you can add keywords to multimedia elements of your website like images or videos. And finally, keywords can be integrated into links to subpages of your website or when linking to other sites. The next lectures will introduce you to how to optimize your web page, going through every single topic on this list.